Hey man, what up?
Not much in you.
I got reset on Halo Reach, fuck Bungie.
Laugh out loud, that funny, and you should not get mad. You cheat, you get reset, so I'm happy that you got reset.
Up yours bitchin', I'm going to play Call of Duty Q's, it's better than Halo.
Why just Q's? You got reset and you sick at the game and you get your ass kicked by kids like me.
No, and it's just better.
Okay, why is it better?
The guns are better, the gameplay is better, the story is better.
But you can't compare the games. Q's Call of Duty is modern war and Halo is a science fiction game. It's like comparing apples and oranges.
I don't care, Call of Duty is better.
Whatever, you hater, and Halo takes more skills than Call of Duty.
No it doesn't, and I can own anyone at Halo.
If so, then stop bitching. You got reset and play Halo if you're so good.
No, what's the point? I'm a recruit.
So just own, cheat, and rank up.
Fuck that, what rank are you?
I'm a general legit.
You game freak, get a life.
I'm not a game freak, I have a job and I got out with my friends and I have skills, not like you who needs to cheat should be the best.
Fuck you, I have skills, let's play one-on-one on Call of Duty.
What the point? So you can camp or use a mod controller? No thank you.
Why you chicken, you going to lose?
No, I just don't want to play a cheater. You're like the PPL on YouTube who hate on Halo Q's, you sick at it, you fanboy.
I'm not a fanboy, I just think Call of Duty is better than all shooter games.
Whatever you say, you fanboy.
Let me ask you something, why do you think Halo is better than Call of Duty?
I'll tell you, but first, why do you need to say Halo? You can't read, do you need to sound it out? It's Halo, you idiot, and I like Halo Q's, it's fun and it's not like Call of Duty. To me, Call is like Madden for shooters, it's the same shit over and over. There's nothing new about Call of Duty, but there is only one Call of Duty I really liked, and it was Call of Duty 3.
If you like Call of Duty 3, why not the others?
Q's, I didn't have campers and cheaters or booters. My friends got the new Call of Duty Black Ops and they were saying, oh, it's the best and cool. When I joined the party, I was hearing them bitching saying fuck got noob or campers or shakers.
Whatever, I'm out of here.
Bye fanboy.